In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to remove green screen in under 1 minute, so better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. First of all, we're gonna open Premiere Pro as you can see. Then we're gonna grab the materials that we're gonna be needing, the background and the green screen. We grab both of them and we put them on our timeline. We put the green screen in front of the background, and then we go to the search of the effects and we type Ultra Key. We will find this video effect, and after that we go to effects control and we grab this pipette and we choose the color of the green, and just like that we will have our screen removed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.